What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I am doing a super cute black to purple ombre feed and ponytail on my client. I wanted to show you guys the middle of my ponytail. This is a trick that I believe I've shared on my channel before, but this will help you with overlapping of your braids when they're going into the ponytail. It will help you create better spacing, and it also helps your ponytail to appear more full. There's been a lot of times when I've done large feed and ponytails and the ponytail is just extremely thin, so putting about 4 to 6 knotless box braids in the middle of your ponytail will definitely help give you a more full look. So I know you guys are gonna say, your client looks just like Bree, and that's because this is actually Bree's little sister London, who has been on one of my live videos before. So if you haven't seen her, you guys can always check out one of my live videos because baby has a voice on her. She can sing and she's so bomb. So y'all, I literally needed about 12 cups of coffee to deal with sis. Her energy is literally on 1,000. Just picture Bree like times 10 all day though. That is her energy. So I was like, oh my God, this ponytail is taking me so long to do because she literally moves so much that it took me almost 3.5 hours to do this ponytail, and this usually takes me like an hour and a half. Y'all know I'm pretty quick. So I was just like, oh my God. Her hair also has like a lot of breakage around her hairline, so I definitely needed my grip to be like on point just around like the edges. So this was literally a struggle, but when it was done, I was like, oh my God, it's so neat and so perfect, and I love you. So this braiding hair is actually 3 times Ghana braiding hair that I'm gonna make sure I link in the description section for you guys. But I had actually found this hair on Amazon and I tried it out because it was 40 inches, which is really long for braiding hair, and it's pre-stretched. I've never seen a pre-stretched braiding hair this long like in my beauty supply or online before. So I'm pretty sure there's some, but I haven't personally seen it. So I had to give it a try and I absolutely love it. I bought a bunch of the black, a bunch of the purple. I also bought a bunch of the red. The only bad thing that I can say about it is it does thin out at the end. So I have used it for like knotless box braids before, and I was like the ends of it look very like see-through-ish. So that's the only negative thing that I would say about the hair. But this is one of my favorite braiding hair to use when somebody wants like a long feed and ponytail or something like that. And since we were wrapping hers in a bun, I knew that the ends of the hair wouldn't be an issue. So yeah. Y'all are gonna see me move sis about 50-11 times because she does not understand the concept of like being still. Or I don't know if you guys have ever done someone's hair and like they lean in to whatever direction you're braiding. That is literally the most annoying thing for me. So I'm like, stop like leaning into me, like keep your head up and resist against me. And she's like, my head. So it was literally a hilarious battle because it's like I low-key want to strangle you, but I love you so much that like I actually love your energy. So yeah, I'm banging sis all over the place today. It's so funny because she's the youngest sister, so I always joke about how I love her the most and she's my favorite. And she does have like her energy. I do love it. It's just like sometimes I'm like, baby, sit down. Like you need to really sit down. But I always joke about how she's my favorite and I love her the most because they be bullying her, y'all. Like I'm the middle child, so I'm super spoiled. Like let me know if y'all have siblings. Let me know where y'all rank in at because she's the baby. So you know, Bree and them be just bullying her and I have to like take up for her. But I was the middle child, so I was super spoiled. So yeah. So guys, I decided to leave this clip in regular speed for you guys. If you guys want me to drop a stitch braid tutorial for you guys, let me know in the comment section below and I'll definitely do that. But I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I kind of do my stitches and everything like that. When I use a comb, it definitely comes out more defined, but today I was just using my ring finger. I was trying to practice that because I told y'all in another video that I broke my pinky nails off, so I just wanted to try it out. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see a stitch braid tutorial. So yes guys, I'm just gonna do my finishing touches and dip these braids, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it in a bun. I was so happy with how neat this style turned out, so I can't wait to share the finished look with you guys. Also, I know people are like, well, if it's gonna be in a bun, like, you don't have to add those 4 braids to make it full, but I always try to make my styles versatile. So just because they say they're gonna wear it in a bun all the time, like realistically, I'm like, well, they might want to wear it down. So I still go ahead and make it full, and it'll also just make your bun look a lot more neat. So this here is the finished look. Let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section down below. If you guys would rock this style, drop purple hearts. I absolutely love the purple just because it's super subtle and it's really only in her bun. I was hyping sis up, y'all. I said, you are literally so beautiful. But yeah, I love how neat this style turned out. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every single time I post, especially when I go live. You don't want to miss those. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?
What you mean?